Big target.
Oh, okay.
I already had it set up.
Cayden! Cayden! Tap, tap, go!
Come on, Cayden.
Off the knees.
What?
Go!
Angles,
Up,
angles,
up.
angles. Hey, work some angles. Angles, Cayden, angles. Hey, your hands right here. Go, get it, get it, yes. Come on, get it. Get it.
Come on, Cayden.
Go, Cayden.
Good job.
Nice.
Nice. Hey, lace that ankle. Lace it. Yes, lace. Lace the ankle.
Nice.
Work. Good adjustment. Hey, belly on the mat. Keep the belly on the mat. Good work, Cayden. Suck it in. There you go. Work it in. Go get it. Hey, go backside. Other side. You got 5 seconds. Finish on top here.
Trying to switch
Hey, finish that reinforced ball. Don't go the other way. Don't the other way. What do you want? Get on it? Hey, let's go. We're here to get better. Let's go. Let's go. Good. Good now. Raise in. Angle. Get an angle. Good.
Pick it up.
Motion. Good job.
Nice. Keep him out. Keep your foot in. Keep your foot in.
Come on, Cayden.
Yes. Good job, buddy.
Is that your sister? Yes.
Remember a